I'm not sure what kind of anemone that is. It's
Carpet.
like a carpet. Yeah, but I don't know if it's a miniature or what color it is or anything like that. But I know the clownfish love it. So.
Oh, they scrub on it, don't they?
Yeah, they go underneath it. They want to be covered by it.
Look at that
and
guy.
I'm
He
not
don't
exactly
like it.
sure if it needs to be fed or if the clownfish are feeding it when they eat, if they're spitting the food back into it because they like it so much.
That little goby doesn't like it either.
Just in case, I'm going to feed it because I've heard or I've read online that they might actually eat a clownfish. So
Really?
yeah, and I don't want.
I think clownfish are immune to their
well,
stings.
I don't know. I read a couple little articles about.
Well, they seem to like to rub in it and stuff.
Yeah, they seem to.
And that's the glow one thing, right?
Yeah, you want to see it real quick?
Yeah. Oh wow! Look at that.
Here, back up for me a little bit. Okay.
Focus. That bird is going to be in every one of our
We're
videos.
not exactly sure what this is. Our friend gave it to us.
It's coral.
It's some kind of coral that glows in the dark. It's pretty awesome.
Nothing else is glowing, is it? Oh, there it is. Well, this guy's back upright again. Ooh, that blue color is kind of... Here, turn that blue off. Yeah, that's better.
Are you sure you can't see better with the blue?
No, it kind of... Here, turn it on. Look at it. Makes everything look darker almost.
Alright, well, I got some fish food I'll get you in there. I'll be right back.
What kind of clown are you? Crying on the inside kind, I guess. Hey, little goby. Put that fin up. What you doing? That's a star right there.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey.
Little starfish.
Alright, I put this in a dethaw.
Mm-hmm. What is it, stinky?
I think I might have cooked it on accident. But we'll see if we
Oh, God, it stinks.
Look at my crystal. Look at my crystal.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we saw it.
Look at rock candy.
Man, you got all the way over here?
No, look, Mama, you know at Elizabeth's party? This looks like rock candy.
Don't eat it.
I won't eat it.
What kind of shrimp are these? Or
Why do you think I'm going to eat it?
candy cane shrimp?
Yes. One's named Peppermint,
I'll go
and the
down
other
here.
name's Candy Cane.
What is it? Candy cane and peppermint?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Where'd all the green stuff go?
I have no idea.
It'd be really cool if the clownfish would come up here and bite this and take it down to the...
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
You can take it down to the thing.
Yeah, it
How
wants
about
to
you drop
float.
it in the thing?
I want to, but it wants to float.
Look at him, he's rubbing on it.
It's like a pet store in here with all the noise.
Just Charlie. See, he's rubbing all over. I don't think they can eat him. Oh, there's a piece.
Alright, let me see what I can
You got like a grabber.
Wait.
Oh, look, he's got it. Look.
You might eat it or you might feed it to him.
Oh, he's eating it. No, he's eating it.
Wait.
Oh, wait. Wait for it.
He dropped
What
it.
happens? Do they actually...
I've seen them like take food to their host.
You bought me these.
In their
Oh, yeah.
home.
Let's see if I can do it.
Are you gonna put it in the little thing?
I don't know if I can reach for that. Oh,
Put your hand down in there. Come on.
I can't get the top on
It's
there.
free floating. Well, it's free. Come on. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, it's getting stuck. Oh, there it is. You're not very good at that, are you?
Now!
Oh, you missed it. Oh, my ear. It's like a piece of dead body floating around there. Here.
Please stop.
You can't do that? You can't get it?
No.
What's
Not
wrong?
with the top on.
Why don't you take the top off?
Because you won't be able to see.
Take it off.
Take the top off, baby.
Oh, okay. You got it now.
Down.
Let me get over here.
Ooh. Got it.
Oh, look at that thing. I'm like tensed up. Oh, it's like sticking to it.
I think you're supposed to actually put it in its mouth.
It's close enough.
It'll get it in there eventually, I think.
Ouch.
Where's the blue one at? Is it hiding? Blue tang?
It's been hiding.
Where'd all that green stuff go? Did you get rid of it? Oh, he's trying to eat that off the anemone.
Hi. Hey, it's sucking it up.
Really?
You see it?
Get close up, look.
See its little green mouth? It's about to suck it up. Clownfish, you're in the way. Sorry. Clownfish, you're in the way. Sorry.
Is it eating it?
Does he wrap around it or something?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think it does it really slow though. So
Should have got it when it was eating that puffer. Yeah, I
dead
know.
puffer.
Yeah. Killed it. It's okay, Jesse.
We had a burial at sea.
Yeah, toilet.
No.
See?
Yeah, out at Nana and Papa's.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. That was cool. Maybe it swam away.
It swam to heaven. Fish heaven.
Maybe it.
What is it doing? It's just... Is it actually doing anything?
Yeah, it looks like it's going towards its mouth.
Yeah, it's sucking it up slowly.
It's very slow.
It's now like rounded instead of being all flat.
Yeah, it's starting to eat. I'm glad to see it. I haven't noticed if the clowns have been like feeding
Well, they're
it.
sure as heck not feeding it because they were like taking the food away from it right now. Like, oh, hey.
I'm concerned because I read online that the carpet anemone sometimes will eat the clownfish. So.
Yeah, we've established that they
Yes,
won't.
I know. What? Oh, well, not according to some of the Salt Aquarium websites.
Literature.
Yeah, the chat rooms or whatever. You want to see that one again?
Salt
Wanna see
Aquarium
it
chat
glow?
rooms. Yeah, that's pretty neat. We wouldn't be able to see this one for the turbo shrimp. I mean,
Turbo?
not snail. Turbo snail.
Yeah, because they eat the brown algae off of it.
That's pretty cool. Nothing else to lose in here.
I want to see that little thing.
Oh yeah, it's balling up more. Look at that. Look at that. That's pretty neat.
They're taking food away from it.
Yeah, they're
hasn't
trying to
eaten
get their bit.
That food is almost cooked because I put it in the microwave on defrost and I
That seemed-
left it in there too long.
Well, it seems to like it. Okay, so I think you're all right.
Yeah.
The clownfish are messing with each other.
They're
Are they just
fighting.
playing?
Yeah, they're just biting each other's tails and stuff. Ow, that looks painful.
What looks painful? Clownfish?
Yeah, I'm biting.
What kind of clownfish are those? Are those fancy?
Those are the fancy orange and white ones.
Fancy
got a little-
smancy.
They got a little bit more white on their heads.
Yeah, that's
So they
true.
call them fancy something.
How many
fancy.
stripes do they have?
1, 2, 3.
It's like Nemo.
On that side they do, but on the other side it looks kind of weird.
I
Yeah.
wonder what kind of anemone is that? That is. I
Anemone.
like that guy.
Those are
Anemone.
fairly new.
I mean, I call them. I don't call him Mudkip because
He's not a mudkip.
yes, he's not Mudkip. He's not Mudkip. Mudkip died, and then we got someone that looks
Oh wow!
exactly like him.
Sucking him in there. Look at that.
Oh no, the clown's gonna try
No, he's just getting little pieces.
little pieces.
I hope that the clownfish doesn't get sucked up
That's
too.
good. I'll have to buy some more of that.
And what is that thing called?
Gosh, what did she call it? grazer.
Wait, watch it, watch it.
This is a new product that we
Watch
just got
it.
from the pet
It's slowly
store.
sucking it up.
It's a free sample.
Free grazer.
No!
Free grazer? That's the free sample they gave
I
us, so
thought she
we'll
was
be hooked
gonna,
on it.
Yeah, I thought she was going to give us a snail
Fish,
or something.
yeah. The grazer.
Let me try it. You might want to try this. It's a something grazer. I don't know what it is, but it's instead of having the seaweed sheets, it's like this little ring.
His mouth is going like this.
That looks really awesome. It's so neat how you can zoom in like that.
Giant clownfish attack. I'm super scared that this clownfish might get sucked up.
He won't. As long as the anemone has something to eat, I don't think he'll try eating the clownfish. So we got to make sure it's fed. And we definitely don't want it eating our hippo tang. That would be.
Yeah, you don't want to eat a hippo.
We got to get that one fattened.
Hey! Hey, you! Stealing the stuff.
Stop it!
No, it's okay. That anemone is not really that big. They're bigger.
Come on, you already ripped off all its food. Why are you trying to eat more of its food? Yum.
That's what they do.
They don't leave it alone.
And they rub up against it. I think it helps them.
That's a seafood medley. There. It is.
I think we got that last time we went to...
Last video.
No, the last seafood place we went to.
Seafood place?
Is that a platter for two?
Yeah, I think so.
I think so.
Oh, is that a universal thing? Platter for two? Oh, hey. You pull on that, buddy.
Why are they already took a huge chunk
Are you
off.
talking to me? Don't be talking to me. I'll come over there and bite your fingers.
Yeah, we had one that would bite your fingers.
Okay.
Not right now. We'll get it
Not
tomorrow.
now. I'm looking closely at the big puffy fish thing.
Look at the glowing rock.
Ah, what is that?
Have you seen that? Okay.
Y'all want to look at the bread?
Bread! I want to see bread.
I might, Rabbit, I might.
I want to see bread.
That just looks nasty. Man, it ate it all. What are you laughing at?
I don't know.
Because I said what it looks like? I said, well, I didn't finish what it looks like. Man, sucked it down in there, didn't it? That's what she said.
Those clownfish are protecting it.
Yeah, they want some. It's like, hey, what's that? What's that there? You know what that looks like? Can I have some? There, let me rub up against you. What's so funny? Hey. Let me nudge you a bit. Man, here it comes. What are you looking at? I'm gonna eat some of this glowing rock. Where'd the bluefish go? I haven't seen the bluefish. That's good. That's the one you want. Looks different now. That is amazing. Sea creatures. I'm an enemy.
He's still trying to eat it.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey,
He's trying to steal his food.
what are you doing?
Knows
You think so? Or is he just rubbing?
I don't know. I thought they were supposed to feed him.
And rubbing is racing.
That one knows because I'm trying
thought the clownfish were supposed to go in there and feed.
I've seen them do that. Not these guys. I've seen other ones do that. I don't know where the remote is.
Well, if they like them so much, they should feed them.
I know, exactly.
Can somebody help me find it?
Oh, there goes the
Then you'll
music.
do it.
Copyright violations. Okay, there's the bluefish. All you can see is
hiding.
like a, yeah, it's hiding. That's the, what's it called? Blue tang?
Blue Pacific tang.
Or
hippo tang.
Hippo tang. Wow, what a good shot of the bluefish.
What about this guy?
Yeah, I got him. I get him with his
Did you get the blue starfish?
Yeah, the blue starfish is right there. Blue and orange. He's like a gator fin or something.
You think we have too many rocks?
No.
If there was a
Probably
gator
too many
fin,
fish.
it's probably here because it's right here in the Florida State. That's right. Blue and orange starfish. Florida State.
I think we care.
Florida State. Is that FSU?
Yeah, that's the semen horse.
I don't keep up with football. Like some of my friends, they are like way in too much into football. But they like it.
What's he doing? It's like crazy and stuff.
Someone can't find a remote.
Okay.
He's protecting his
You think so?
thing.
He's trying to
That's
get some
what I
food
think.
out of there, I think.
You better watch out because I heard they eat them.
I don't think this has a problem.
Can someone help me find a remote?
Yeah, we'll get you a remote.